How to find trending Google searches. So first, open your browser and type Google Trends. When you type Google Trends, you will go to many website links. Click on the first one, that is www.googletrends.com. When you click on that website, a page will be displayed. The page shows what is the world searching and what the whole world is watching and reading about. And you can find year by trends, daily trends, and also weekly trends, trends by country, etc. So here you can see daily trends by date on my screen. And you can also search the real time searches, which shows 24 hours real time database through which you can see the trending news. So do try this hack now.